In this video, you will see how to create a Webview Android app using simple codes. Let's open Android Studio. Start with new activity, new project. Open empty activity. Hit next. Type the application name and for the language, go with Java and hit finish. The new Android project might take some time to load. Wait for some time while the application is loading up. All the codes for creating the Android app is visible on the blog. Okay, now the project is ready. Go to manifest folder and under that you will see Android manifest.xml. Open that. Now from the blog you can copy the very first code and paste it just below packages. Now go to activity main. You will see something like this. On the top right you will see code. Now remove this text view, the entire code. You can get rid of it. And at the last you have to remove the entire thing Android X till just before the layout, and instead of this field type relevant. I'm sorry, it's relative. So you have to type relative and let's go back to the design. Now on the search bar type web. Drag the web view and leave it anywhere on the screen. Now go back to code. You will see a new interface. And copy the second code and just below web view paste the second code. Now go to resources, res, and values, theme, and select the first theme, themes.xml, and on the top remove dark and replace it with no. Now come back to activity main. Okay, go back to main activity Java, and under import bundle, copy the third code from the block and paste it just below import Android OS bundle. Go back to the block, copy the fourth code and below public class you have to paste the fourth code, private web view, my web view. Now go back to the blog, copy the fifth code, the complete code, and yes, just after the semicolon, hit enter and paste the code. Now the very last code, you have to paste the last code between the flower brackets. And bitmap, you have to import the bitmap class. You can either do it by Alt Shift Enter for importing the class directly. Now you can see bitmap is no longer with a red warning. And this is the website URL. You can replace the website URL with your specific website so that you on the app your website view loads up. Now click on build and generate signed bundle APK. Select the APK. Next, you can select a keystroke path. So it's a new app, so you would have to create a new one first, save it anywhere on your computer folder. Name the file. You can set up a password. Reconfirm the password. And for the key, also set up a password. Confirm it again. And for validity, you can increase or decrease it as per your convenience. Now for the certificate, write your name, organization, location, etc. Hit OK. All the things are up. Remember the password and hit next. And release. Select release option to release the APK file. And this is the location for the file where it will be saved. Wait for the bundle to the APK file to be generated. It might take few minutes. The APK file is created, no errors were found. Let's locate the file, and the app release is the APK file. If you open it, you can rename the APK file. Currently logo was not configured, so I have named it as no logo. Let's open it, and we can see how the app would look up. You can see there is no logo. Now the app is opening, and here is the entire web view. So let's set up the icon for the app. For this, you would have to go to under resources, drawable. So do a right click on drawable, new, and then you have to come to image assist, and asset type image, and the path. Locate the icon which you want to use on the app. So select the image from your computer. You can scroll down on the Google Play Store. Just resize it so that it fits the screen. Hit next and finish. Now with a newer version of Android Studio, you would have to make some small changes or delete some of the unwanted image files. So under minimap, I'm sorry. So under MIP map, remove all the WebP files, delete them. You would see some warning. You would have to allow it, delete anyway. And same thing you have to do with launcher round, IC launcher round. Remove all the WebP app images. Now you can run the bundle. As password was saved, so finish. So we have got an error here. It's related to the image file, so we have to go and check again. The easiest method is uploading the image file again and deleting the WebP files from the mipmap folder. Feel free to comment if you have any questions. I would be more than happy to assist you. Now the new APK file is generated. You can locate it again. Let's try to open it. Once we open it, this time you would see that your app has an icon on it. Yes.